Hello guys, welcome to my new unboxing video. In this video, we will unbox together my new special microphone, which name is Maono PD200W. And why I say it's a special, in this video, I will tell you why. First of all, I need more and better quality for my videos, and I think this kind of mics cannot give me that quality which I expect. So I decided to find microphones for podcast, and I had some challenge. If you want to record your own video or your podcast, I think it can be interesting to you. First of all, when you order professional mics for podcasting, you should also have one audio card, and you should know how to work with that, and you should connect it to your computer, and your video will be separate with your audio, and you should mix them together in your computer, and after that you can render it. But I don't know too much about audio and sound, and I wanted simplest form for have that kind of mics with good quality and also connect it easily to my smartphone. So I searched too much and found this fantastic model. And another good news about this model is that you don't need even wire. You can connect it with a dongle to your smartphone. Look like this kind of mics. You will connect a dongle to your smartphone, and without any wire, very nice, you can connect your mic to your smartphone. So this model was special because you cannot find too many models which has these features together. And about Maono, I should tell you it's one Chinese company, but very, very high quality company. About sound microphones, you can order microphones, very professional microphones for podcasting, or semi-professional, which you connect it to your computer. You don't need audio card. And also this model, which I really love it because you can just connect it via your dongle. Okay, let's open it and continue. I will tell you some informations during opening this box. First of all, I really like because when I ordered this mic, they also sent me one gift, which is one headphone. It is a nice headphone, so I like always this kind of gifts. Okay, what we should know about this mic. First of all, 60-meter wireless range, which means with that dongle, you can go as far as 60 meter for recording your video. Second one is noise cancellation, which is very powerful about this mic. And when you don't have isolated room, you can use of this mic to cancel any noise inside your room or echo or something like that. It also has 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. If you your phone or your camera, your phone, I think I shouldn't say your phone because nowadays smartphones doesn't have this jack. It's good for camera. You can connect it with that jack to your camera. It has also software support, very nice and user-friendly software. You should download it to your smartphone, to your computer, and you can control anything about quality of your voice. One touch mute when you are, for example, in one live video, just with one touch you can mute your voice. It's very good. Smart control now. You can manage about sound, about anything during you are recording video. And you can see it comes with USB-C dongle, or if you want, you can also order with RX Lightning, which is for old model of iPhone. You can also order with that. You can see it's the mic, and it's very nice design. And after that, I will record my videos with this mic. If you want to start your podcasting, I think don't waste your time. Just order one of them, and price is really good. I ordered this. It was near about $100 in China, and I think in Europe you can find it near about $120. So I think it is very good choice for you. You can also use of this model, or you can go to their website, which is Maono or Maono.com. You can see all models of that. It's not advertising, but because I like this brand, I wanted to explain more about it. So, what do you think, guys? Do you like microphone? Do you like to record your own video or your own podcast? Share your opinion in comment bar. I will like it, and after that I will try to record better videos for you with this mic, high quality sound. I hope you will see is it better or not. You can check my next videos. It will be with this microphone, and please watch my videos in future. I recorded a new Oppo model, which is Oppo Reno, and also IQ00. It's very nice smartphone. We will have 2 videos this week. Watch both of them. You will like them, I'm sure. That's all. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.